Hello guys, welcome back to Chess Minds Uganda, building smart and godly thinkers. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, share and comment. Of recent, of recent, I told you I'll get a competitor and I'll tell you the common mistakes done while playing this game, chess. And I'm here with him. Let him introduce and then we continue.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm really happy to be here at this chess channel of my friend who invited me here, Mr. Mpata. Let me say hi to you because today he invited me. We are going straight to the topic. Okay, thank you.
Yes, what is that?
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This one is a friend to me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
she's
is it?
called the Desire.
Desire.
Yeah, it's a parrot.
A parrot.
And as those who knows parrots, this is an African grey parrot. You see
What is the use of it?
the use of it. Now, a parrot. This parrot is like a pet. Yeah, you can have it in a house or in a business, any business. But even this one shows that we are people who care to everything which has what life. Yes, because to be with this one when it can be with you, that means you are friendly. You have love.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
There are some viewers outside there who would like to know the price. Do you sell them?
In fact, yeah, they are here in Uganda. Those one who want, you can contact, you can leave your, like you can comment on Mr. Mpata's what? YouTube channel. You can comment there that, oh, I need it. But this one, to have it, you have to have a license of the wildlife. So here, may I have it. For those who can have them in their homes, you have to pass through wildlife. This one is already, it has a license. So if you want it, you can contact us.
Okay.
Yes.
That is good. Yes, Mr. Ben, tell us the common mistakes people do while playing chess.
Now, here in chess, because also I've been following your channel.
Yeah.
Yes, and I've been getting some points or getting to know chess. I knew it, but when it takes time, when you don't play it, you lack some, which I can call exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah, now here, the common mistakes here in chess, first of all, I know Mr. Pata told you what everything here. Each player, how to play, that was finished also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it is.
Now the common mistake. This is a mind game. It is a mind game. So when you are at this board, all the mind must be where?
On the board.
Here. To enjoy this game as it is, you have to put here the mind. Not being here, then when you are thinking about another thing, here you can't wait. And in this game, when you have fear, in your heart, this game, because this game is, as you see it, it is like a war. This side, there is a parade of soldiers, even the other side. So we are in the war. So you have to focus when you are going to do what. So the common mistakes are caused by fearing, even not when you are not, the mind is not here on the board.
That's not being focused. Huh?
Yeah, focusing. It needs focusing.
Okay.
Yes.
What motivated you to learn chess?
To learn chess.
Yeah.
By the way, which motivated me to learn chess? one day, had a friend of mine is a doctor. Hope is there saying, when you see this video, you like and you subscribe. It's called the Dr. Musa. In fact, I had a disease which we had to first have a conversation on it. We had no something which can make us together, to keep us when in touch, so that for him, he can see what is going on my side. So one day I visited him. He brought this. We played. By that time, I didn't have any knowledge of it. He taught me some. We played. We had like 3 games that day. But the next day, I got a message in it. Seriously. Because I had to look for him and I go back. That is how I was going to see the doctor who was treating me because of chess. Do you get me?
Yeah.
I went there as a patient. Is it?
A patient.
A patient, yeah. But this board, again, it was pushing me to him because he had no time, or he had no time to me. Actually, me, I had no time. That why should I go to the doctor? At this I can call him what. But this game
Yeah. Okay.
brought me to him, and we had a very good conversation. This is a mind game. That's how I learned it.
That is good.
Yeah.
So to the viewers, don't forget to subscribe, follow, share, and comment. I'm going to have a play with him, as I promised. We are going to start as we said. White is the first one to take a move, but before you make any move, you have to think and think, which is also going to help us in boosting our brain. So enjoy the game as we start the move.
Yes. viewers are now. Now the game is what? It's over. Aya butiwe aya.
So guys, that is the game. The game was fair. They won me, as you have seen. Yeah, we told you, you think and think and think. I'm seeing you have kids here. They are interested. The game is so interesting. So I encourage you to learn this game. This game is good. I think you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. Do you have anyone
Yes,
for our viewers?
yes. Thank you for watching. Now, don't forget to subscribe, share. We meet at the next what? The next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.